guys, it's Tori. So today we have my Sephora VIB sale haul. And I went crazy. We don't have just one, not two, not even three, but 4 packages, and one hasn't come in the mail yet. It should be here in 2 days, but I wanted to get this up as soon as possible. So this is the situation. I haven't opened anything yet. I've been waiting very impatiently to film this video. I was really hoping that the other package would come in time, but it did not. So we're gonna get into it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all of my social medias down below, and let's get started. So in this first box, they sent me one thing, and that one thing is literally this. In this huge box, they sent me this. Literally everything that's here right now was all one order, and they sent it in 4 separate boxes. But I knew that this was what was in that box, and I want to put this on. This is the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. I have the shade Apricot Glow. This is what the outside packaging looks like. Like I said, I haven't opened any of these boxes. They are all still sealed. I have my scissors. Ooh, I like this soft matte packaging. So this is what the product looks like, but it looks like this. I do want to apply some. Okay, that definitely has some color. And I don't think you can twist it back down after you twist it up, but it's super moisturizing. I like the color. I would have preferred something a little more brownie toned, but there wasn't a whole lot of these in stock, so I just grabbed one. But this retails for, I believe, $24 or $22. I don't remember, but that was the first thing, and it was the only item in my first box. Okay, box number 2 is a little more promising. There are 3 products in here. So the first one is the Rare Beauty Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 20 Sunscreen. I got the shade 12C, but this is what the outer packaging looks like. Rare Beauty is always really, really cute. This is the bottle. It's quite small. How much product is in here? 1 fluid ounce. That doesn't look like a fluid ounce to me, but it has this like weird indent, and I think it's like for squeezing purposes, maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what. Okay, looks like that. I'm just really interested in this. I have a few Rare Beauty products, but nothing crazy. So I am really excited to give this a try, and I love tinted moisturizers. And SPF is a must this time of year. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I got the shade Too Fair. This is what the box looks like. I have been trying to get my hands on this forever, just like I think everybody else who doesn't have this already. And they finally had my shade in stock, thankfully, during the sale. It's so heavy and luxe. Look at it. I am so excited. I cannot wait to do like a full face of testing all of this out. That will be coming, I promise, but it is beautiful. I'm literally so excited. It's so like weighted. It just feels so luxurious. So I can't wait to put that on my face. And then the last thing in box number 2 is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It says party all night, stay all day. Sorry about Bailey, by the way. She's being annoying right now. But this is what the box looks like. And I bought this because I've just literally heard such amazing things about it. So many people swear by it. I did get the mini because I don't need a full size, but the bottle looks like this. It's also like nice and weighted and luxurious, and it says primes and sets for up to 16 hours. And my normal day-to-day makeup is on for at least 12 and up to probably like 18. So if that says 16 hours, that is great news, because my makeup can get kind of oily and not so good looking after the first 5 or 6 hours even. Okay, box number 3. Like, why do I need this big of a box for 2 items? These I'm so excited about. Okay, I got the One Size Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio. I got mine in the shade Freaky Peach. I love that they did different colors for the packaging. I feel like very on brand for them. Their like pressed foundation powder is in like the same kind of packaging, just smaller. I'm dying. That is so cute. That's so weird that they like switch the outside box to be opposite of what the inside is. That is so cute. Look at the shades. These literally look beautiful. So it's like a cream and it has like a little encasing over it, and then a matte and a like sheen, like a cheek topper. I'm literally so excited for this. Like, the packaging is everything. The inside is everything. I cannot wait to test this out when I get around to filming my full face of makeup video. Like, this is gonna be so pretty. Okay, now this is the One Size Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio. I got mine in the shade Light. Most of the people who I watch got the shade Medium, so I'm a little bit nervous because I did pick up the shade Light, and I only was able to get Light because it had like last minute came back in stock. No, definitely Light was perfect. Perfect. Look. Oh, those are gonna look so good on the skin. So he did like a thing where he wanted it to be like cool tone, neutral, warm tone, or it might be the other way around, I don't remember, but he wanted to have like one of each undertone. And so like these top 2 would be perfect for bronzing, this one would be good for contouring. I'm literally so excited. These are like the perfect shade for me. Oh, I cannot wait to play with this. It's like Christmas because I forgot what I ordered. Okay, we will do the makeup and then the skincare items. So this is the brand new Lawless Conceal the Deal Full Coverage Concealer. I got the shade Cloud. I think this is either the lightest or second lightest shade. This is what the outer box looks like, and then when you open it, it looks like this. This was a last minute thing that I added to my bag. I just wanted, like, I was looking through like the new to Sephora page or whatever, and I saw this and I was like, I've never tried Lawless, other than I think I like their lip plumpers or something. So we'll give this a go. But what are the claims? This long-wearing, lightweight concealer delivers buildable to full coverage with a soft focus finish that feels fresh, comfortable, and virtually undetectable on the skin. Correct, brighten, blur, and highlight with this creamy formula. Sounds good to me. I've seen a lot of people talking about the LYS concealer, and I'm like, damn, I should have grabbed that. And I mean, the sale ends today, but I don't need to buy more makeup from Sephora, but I might do it anyway. There is some things from Ulta I want to grab. This next product is the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Cream. I have the shade Pinky Brown. This is not the one that I wanted. Once again, the one I wanted was sold out, but I've heard good things about it and I wanted to test it. So this is what the component looks like. It's very sleek. You can kind of see the color just a little bit, but nothing crazy. And then when you open it up, It's like a moussey consistency. What does this look like? Oh, that's pretty, but it's quite dark. That's what it looks like. It's pretty. I don't know, maybe I'll like that. We'll find out. We'll have to test it. Okay, the last makeup product I have with me is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Joy. This is a long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy flush. Everybody loves these. Everybody. Like, literally everybody. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna add one to cart. We're gonna try one. I didn't know what shade to get. I was very lost. This is the component. You've probably seen it a million times. That is what it looks like. That is like super, super freaking bright. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. It was like really, really liquidy. I'm excited to test out the formula. Hopefully I like it and the color. Just because the color is like very bright, but I bet when you blend it out, it won't look like that. The last two products I have with me are skincare. The first one is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen, glowing radiance and protection. This is SPF 50. I got this as a morning time moisturizer, and I wanted an SPF, so the box is cute. This is even cuter. I'm like so excited to test this. I love the bottle. I want to smell it. It smells like my grandma's sugar cookies. Which I know might seem weird, but like it doesn't smell like watermelon to me. Maybe if I like actually got some out, it would. But I am very excited to try this. A lot of people have picked this up during the sale actually. The last thing is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. The box looks like this. I explained in my wish list video that I am trying to only order the Curology like personal solution. Stop ordering their cleanser and moisturizer, so I needed a new moisturizer. So I picked this one as my nighttime moisturizer. It is just under 2 ounces. The component is really, really cute and pretty. Let's give this a smell. It has like one of those little holders. Oh, that smells good. What does that smell like? It's like super like whipped. It smells like menthol-y sort of, but not. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it smells good and I'm very excited to use this. So the two products that I ordered that aren't here right now are the brand new Makeup Forever HD foundation. I will insert a picture here. I don't remember what shade I got. I think I got the second lightest shade probably. That's normally what I do in foundations, is I get the second lightest shade. If I can't get a super fair shade that's neutral undertoned, I just get like the second lightest shade. So I grabbed that. It was a last minute decision, which is why it was on a separate order. But I kept hearing people who were doing hauls and recommendations talking about it, so I grabbed it. And then the last thing I did pick up is the brand new Patrick Ta palette. I caved and I bought it. I didn't order it with this order because I was like, I don't need to spend $400 in one order, because literally this was $300, well, over $300. And that other order was $100, and without my discount, I would have spent like 500 bucks. Easy. So the discount saved me a lot of money, but I'm so excited to try everything. I'm so excited to get the Patrick Ta palette. It is literally so beautiful. It is like mauves and pinkies, and I haven't tested a palette out like that in forever, so I'm super excited about it. And yeah, that is everything I bought during the Sephora VIB sale. Today is the last day, So I could make another order. I shouldn't, but I could. Yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you grabbed anything in the comments. Let me know if you guys grabbed anything from the sale. If there's anything you were eyeing but didn't grab. Just let's have some conversation down below. I will definitely be doing a full face of testing new makeup as soon as my other package comes in. And yeah, with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Make sure you check me out down below, all my socials. I will be posting on TikTok more soon, and my Instagram's down there, and I am way more active on those than I am on YouTube, just because they're more convenient, and I constantly am posting stories and stuff for you guys to vote on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!